Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to answer, end, and reject phone calls using your Shokz OpenRun Pro. So it's fairly simple. So whenever you get a phone call and you want to answer it, you just need to press on this multifunction button. So as you can see, there's a phone call coming through, and if I want to answer it, just press once and the phone call has been answered. So now I can continue with the conversation, and when you're ready to end the phone call, again, simply press once on this multifunction button and the phone call will be ended. If you want to reject a phone call, it's slightly different. So again, wait for your phone call to come through. Once it's come through, you want to long press on this multifunction button for like 2 to 3 seconds, and once you've pressed on it, the phone call should be rejected. So 1, 2, and you can see as I was going to say the third one, the phone call was rejected. And so that's how you can answer, end, and reject phone calls using your Shokz OpenRun Pro. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.